Welcome back. Power supply at many places of Tiwadi was irregular on Friday. Power department has taken up urgent repair work on the Tiwadi-Kadamba power supply line. Due to snapping of 110 kV line between Tiwadi and Kadamba substation, power supply was inconsistent. Electricity department officials informed that power was restored using other 3 lines. Department has identified the fault and power was restored on Saturday.
Power supply to various parts of Tiwadi Taluka was irregular on Friday after snapping 110 kV line between Tiwadi and Kadamba substation. Assistant Engineer E.G. Kulkarni informed that repair works of line has been taken up on priority and power will be restored by Saturday evening.
At the time of tripping, because of one circuit cannot take full load of the Panji area and Tiwadi Taluka, we have to put up some industrial feeders, and we have put up one Kurlim 1 feeder which feeds to Kunda Industrial Estate, and the same has been given backfeed from Ponda side but with some restrictions. And in the evening, due to maximum loading in the evening, peak loads, some Panji side, some ST consumers, we told Panjim people to restrict their loads, that they have to do it, and they have done it yesterday. 2 faults we have got, one in our section, one in Thivim section. Thivim section they have attended in the morning, and now our section the fault is being attended, and afterwards whatever the load decision in the Panjim area and Tiwadi area and some industries will be waived off.
Sources inform that Tiwadi Kadamba power line is over 25 years old and it breaks off frequently. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video, journalist from Garfari for Prudent.
Parking woes in the state are unending. Now it is Varnapuri-Mangaur Hill. The narrow road caters to massive vehicular traffic. People park their motor vehicles on both sides of the road, thus making traffic unmanageable. People accuse traffic police of negligent attitude towards traffic management in Varnapuri.
आज जे ट्रॅफिक पोलीस आहा सगळ्याक एक्शन घेता आणि जेन्ना हे दोन्ही सायडीच्यान लोक हांगा पार्किंग करता गाडयो तेजे पोलीस ट्रॅफिक एकूय एक्शन घेना आणि बेश्टे लोकांक जेन्ना गाडी ब्लॉक जाता तेन्ना येवन फायन दिता जाता इतके बेगीन ट्रॅफिक पोलिसांनी हे दोन्ही सायडीच्या गाडी जे दवरता ते काढून हे करचे तांकां फायन दिवची आणि नाल्यार पोलिसांना ओडून व्हरपाचे इतके आमचे ट्रॅफिक पोलिसा कडेन मागणी आसा
त्यामुळे पार्किंगाक लोकांक पासून सारको ना न्हू पुढे वचून लागा म्हळ्यार थिंगा गाडी आसता थिंग पार्किंगाची स्पेस ना
तांकां 2 गाडयो भायर सरना कितें जालें खूब ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता आनी स्कुलाचे भुरगे चलपाक त्रास जाता हांगा आनी चलून वचचें पडटा लोकांक खूब त्रास झेलचे पडटा अशें प्रॉब्लम आहा हांगा.
Vice President of Nationalist Congress Party Trojan De Mello has requested the High Court to call CM Manohar Parrikar as a witness in a defamation case of Sunburn Music Festival. Trojan, in his reply filed before the High Court, has stated that his statement against Sunburn was based on notings of Parrikar in the file. Trojan has challenged the jurisdiction of High Court to hear this petition.
Trojan De Mello has contended that he has not stated anything defamatory against Sunburn Music Festival, but had raised a question based on the notings of CM Parrikar. Trajano has further contended that Parrikar in his notings had mentioned Sunburn as a headache for Goa. Even then, Percep India Company got permission to organize Sunburn. Hence, to assess the merit of his statement, Manohar Parrikar should be called as a witness. In his reply, Trajano has alleged that defamation suit of 50 crore rupees has been filed by Percep India Company on the behest of Goa's Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar. Demanding to transfer this matter before the High Court, Trajano has challenged the jurisdiction of the Bombay High Court to hear this petition. Bombay High Court will hear this matter on 13th October.
See, the fact is that a defamation suit by Percep Company has been filed against me at Bombay, in the Bombay High Court. And I had to reply, and accordingly I have replied within time in the Bombay High Court. And the hearing is kept for 13th, where 2 matters according to me will be decided. One is the jurisdiction, the other is the gag on me that I should not say anything.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.